Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an amazing find for all the little cheerleaders out there. Introducing the best black and gold cheer uniform from JenPen. Perfect for Halloween or any cheerleading event, this costume is not just stylish, it's also comfortable and functional. If you're looking for a cheerleading outfit that will make your child shine, you'll want to stick around for this review. The JenPen Cheerleader costume is a delightful ensemble that includes a dress, 2 embroidered pom-poms, and a matching bow. Priced at just $19.99, this costume offers fantastic value for the money, especially for parents looking to give their kids a fun and festive look without breaking the bank. Available in various sizes, from small to large, this outfit caters to different age groups, ensuring a perfect fit for your little cheerleader. The high-quality polyester fiber material provides excellent elasticity, making it not only comfortable to wear, but also durable enough to withstand all the energetic movements of cheerleading. Now, let's talk about the design. The black and gold color scheme is striking and eye-catching, making it a standout choice. The bright colors and bold, cheer letters printed on the front give the outfit a professional cheerleader vibe. The flared skirt adds a playful touch, while the embroidered balls and bow enhance the overall look, ensuring your child looks lively and spirited during any event. This costume is designed specifically for girls, making it a thoughtful gift for those who are passionate about cheerleading. The dress is easy to put on and take off, which is a big plus for kids who want to get ready quickly and start having fun. Comfort is key when it comes to costumes, especially for kids who want to be active. The JenPen Cheerleader costume excels in this area, as the soft and breathable fabric keeps your child comfortable during long hours of wear. Whether they're cheering on a sports team, participating in a Halloween party, or just playing dress-up at home, this costume ensures they can move freely and easily. Parents will appreciate the quality stitching and the overall attention to detail that has gone into making this outfit. The durable fabric means it can handle all kinds of play, making it a great choice for both events and everyday fun. In conclusion, the JenPen Cheerleader costume is truly a standout option for any young cheerleader. With its stylish black and gold design, comfortable fit, and durable materials, it's the best cheer uniform you can get for the price. Whether it's for Halloween or just a day of fun, this outfit will make your child feel special and confident. If you're interested in picking one up, head over to Amazon and check it out. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep cheering and have a fantastic day. Remember, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video.